gonna be our
dinner.
All right.
So is that just the rice there?
Yeah.
That's the only rice they have?
I don't know. Maybe they have white rice.
Okay, we're no rush.
We're not. No.
Yeah. Oh, what about hot sauce?
Miếng á. Chim này. Chim nào đấy? Đấy này á. Này á. Yeah, there's plenty.
Và để mở đầu chương trình văn nghệ hôm nay, mời quý vị cùng thưởng thức tác phẩm Mùa xuân trên làng do phố Hồ Xin mời quý vị. Sau đây, xin trân trọng kính mời quý vị khách quý đến với mảnh đất Sapa tươi đẹp, con người
pig.
There's a whole bunch down there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have to see them.
Nice house and quiet. Very quiet. What's the name of this village, Brian?
This one,
Yeah.
Matcha Ta Phin.
Matcha Tafin.
T-A, another word, P-H-I-N.
Wow. Tafin.
You see? Tono matcha. You see the word? You know, matcha.
Oh, matcha.
You
Okay.
see that?
Oh, okay. So you mean we're not in the village yet?
Now around here, they all village here.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. All belong to the village.
Yeah, the puppy want to follow you. Oh look, new constructions. 2 new houses over here.
Look at all these puppies.
Wow.
Y'all have collars.
That's perfect for barbecue.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
Little piglets.
Yeah. They're all eating.
Oh, they're so
Oh
cute.
yes. Tiny, so cute.
Oh, really? Yeah. They're very smart.
Oh really?
So today nó cũng phải tông đất nó một thiên nhiên đầu của Việt Nam. Mong tới hai tên bùa. Mong tới rau, chúa xứ xía lì nào thế? Right there. I do tờ. Look. Cái này nhá, để ra thế nào. Nhớ cho nó cái rau của nó lại thì giờ cho artichoke là cũng nó chọn bông cũng nó một bà là cũng dùng chơi thành ra thế nào dùng chơi cho một mùa hậu trồng tên đó. Lúc đó giờ lúc hôm na mong lúc hôm na ô đó mong lúc hôm na te va chơi te va chi tao tôi bây giờ mẹ nó là rất một chiếc tờ là trấu tôi mình nhiều mong ô xí thế này đây nó nhớ trời sao kỹ nó nhìn nhau bây giờ mong nhớ chung thế mà cho nhớ chung mong tới giờ thì nhớ trời sao kỹ nó là bao thì u lì là chỉ mua và trời nhớ tới chung đồn đầu ok rồi giờ phải sẽ nhớ trời đâu kia nào mù đi là xí thế nó tới chế mua vừa để khó chỉ mua chờ là cũng muốn đông cho lần gì đâu chỉ để phong trào thì câu chuyện rồi một tiền đông cho là quá thế sự nếu là chỉ nhau chỉ mua để chịu quá thì sẽ bán đau để chọn được rồi be careful right turn Look at all these tourist people. What are they doing in the town here?
We're visiting.
Wow. Họ sẽ cho chỉ đua cho một cho một mua. À. Yeah. Bé lọt thì bé lọt thì lọt tới là chuyện nọ này. Ồ, bé tàu kéo cái anh chị sẽ bé bỏ mua xe bé mà lo. Nè. Bỏ cha nè. Ôi. Bé ở bên lần thì bé tàu kéo xí gì. Anh chị bé mua xe nào bé mà lo. Nè. Ở xin chị nè. Anh xin chị. Dạ,วันนี้เดิมมาnè.วันเดิม. Có phần nào cái gì? Có một thôi, có một chế đó. Đó. Có phần nhiều món mà. Rong chúa cái pháo cái chỉ cho nó nhớ thì thế mà mình mê của luôn nó sức chỉ lo đến này cho nó cái nhóm mình càng thế tuổi nè nhóm lúc giọt tới nhở giờ mà bé chỉ giọt trong tới giọt bé tôi sắp phụ chỉ tôi bé tôi này lúc giọt từ tôi này nè nhóm thì đi nè nhóm thì nó tôi rau món thôi cũng chỉ tụi xin giờ thì nè rau món nó đau kế nào đấy mà cái chuyện nhỏ nó thì
tôi nói là một đô la từ cá từ Sapa
đó ở trong là một từ Sapa đấy bây giờ thì tôi xuân nó thì nên tôi mua rau nào mà rau cơ cái trái rau thì tiền lửa nước bé mà lo đấy mà có bên đâu. Oh yeah, there. Look at how big those things. What is that? Oh, those are the Yeah. But you know, those are that might be good for something. No, I don't know. Cái nu từ ở trên này tàn. Wow. Oh, ginger, yes. Oh, you buy those too, Brian?
Yes.
Those are beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Take it to your wife, huh? Yeah.
Oh,
And
cookie.
some friends.
Oh,
Also
yeah.
buy more.
It lasts.
Another one.
It lasts
Oh.
all the way down to Hanoi.
Oh,
It
yes,
won't. It won't
sure.
wilt.
Yeah.
Oh,
Put
it should
in
be
back.
okay. It should be
Yeah, I
okay.
think so.
It's not like hot, and that's true. It's not putting it.
Nó nhân chua à?
Chua lắm.
Chua sao? Chua này.
Cái này là cái gì đấy, rau gì?
Cái này
Cải meo.
Cái mèo.
Oh.
Xong về.
Lạnh nó đo này, mình đồ đi
Bao nhiêu một bó như này?
20.000 một cân này.
Nay đang Sapa, tối mới về. Ơi. Thế à? Ôi giời ơi, gì mà được rảnh như bạn.
This is a nice bridge.
Yeah. Hả? Đi Sapa trong kia tối mới về. Trên đường đi rồi.
There you go,
Nice.
checking his tags over there.
It's like a derby right here.
Oh yeah.
The cheapest form of transportation.
Oh yeah.
Scooters.
Grab.
I think they need to go back to bicycle for the economy's sake, you know. Steering thing.
For the environmental sake.
It might take you.
I hope they close that one, man.
Even though
Take y'all a tour on it.
because in the US it has to be yacht, is it yacht 3 or something like that?
Right. Actually, think all this, gas with electric. You know.
Oh, you
That's
mean
solve the
electric?
problem. Yeah.
Yeah, but then electric, we all know that the recyclable battery is bad for the environment. See,
Oh yeah.
so that's also bad.
No, but you recycle.
Yeah, but,
It's smog. It's by countries.
And it doesn't stay in the lakes everywhere.
You'll see more. When we are on the bay, and it seems no way for us to go.
All right, here we go. On the boat.
Straight to America.
All right. Oh,
Did they
More.
take the luggage already?
I don't know. Maybe.
hey, just throw this in there.
I really hope it's on.
Well, you guys have luggage?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe they took yours. Maybe they No, I think you guys were picked up
No, I think your luggage will take a different boat.
Were you guys picked up by the company?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why.
The guy is supposed to be.
Oh, it's fine. We're okay.
Alo. Alo.
Yeah, we'll never have to get this show. Oh no.
Em ơi. Em ơi.
Well, last year we did a Thailand last year, and Thailand was we packed quite sparingly, didn't we? Yeah, but basically because we don't go to Hong Kong and Hong Kong's a bit cold there, we had to pack some more. What three countries are you doing then?
What's your glasses?
Did you stop in Bangkok at all?
Maybe put in it.
Maybe ours is that gold one right there. Ship right now.
Wow.
Over there, that side.
3-minute trip. Lúc nào hay mà. Ta để nó chuyển cho nhau lúc nào.
That's what usually whenever I put something
Dole masz takie... Tu wchodzimy, będziemy chodzić, żaba. Alright, the doors right there. We're the last one. The last one came in. What was the first one? Oh, I guess.
Phát quần áo ngay như này là khả năng của đời. Tất nhiên đấy là gặp anh em mặc biết mà phải đấy. Nếu mà lấy sai số thì năm bây giờ nên là đợt này
Oh.
cảm ơn nha.
Thank you. Come on. Oh, is this our happy water? No. Tea, peaches tea.
And you can take note before we check in. This boat is named Oasis Bay Cruise, 4-star boat. We have 3 floors. The first floor, and here is the second floor.
Hi, where are you from Cambodia?
I'm gonna go on a cruise.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh,
Holong Bay cruise.
Long Bay, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Let's see where we're going right now.
Yep.
Oh, a little bit windy.
It is.
Let's go tour upstairs a little bit. This is the front. Ooh, yeah, you can relax right there, man. Sit down here, relax.
No smoking.
Huh?
But no smoking.
Oh, relax over here. Oh, no pillow.
It is. It's flat.
All right. A good relaxed place over here. Relax over here. Romantic silk.
So we went down on that Christmas.
I'm rolling.
That's great.
In San Jose, at this restaurant, they have this. A whole fish. A whole fish. A whole one. Yeah. And you pick through it. Oh my gosh.
All right. Oh, see, it's not that deep right here. See?
Yeah, you'll see more. You know, when we are on the bay, and it seems no way for us to go.
We'll get a little closer. That's good. Is that good?
Put your camera down. Put your camera down.
Okay. He's gonna take a picture of it. Oh! Oh, hang on. All right. Oh yeah?
Into this, you're really into this.
Alright.
But I'm doing the typical man thing. Yeah, I'm on. That's it. You've got to do it. You've got to do it correct. Oh no, we're going against the wind. Hard work right here.
This is someone's little farm over here with dogs and chicken. The pots are probably for weight. Huh? The pots probably for weight for their. Oh, the pots? Yeah, for their net. You sure? Where's the pig? Right there. Oh! Pig is sleeping. It's tired. Is that for our dinner? Go catch it.
Fifi, wake up, Fifi. Say hello to everyone. If you don't
I think he's bored.
yeah.
They will get better Wi-Fi so we can connect with them.
I know. I'm missing my two little babies. Hiccup.
Want some water?
I think I have a water. Heading back to the harbor and of a cruise today.
Here, let's take one.
I don't know. It's just a cool restaurant. We have checked out, just waiting to have our last lunch on the boat.
I love to get the fish, you know.
Oh, I'm
On
sure
the
there's
road.
fish right there.
Yeah.
When are they doing the wedding? At the end of June? Early June?
If the river flooded and look, have fish on the road right there.
Yeah.
Nên của ai luôn có thể ở.
Không muốn cho hỗ trợ là tôi chỉ làm ok no.
That one doesn't have any. You gotta get a coconut.
Maybe a watermelon might be refreshing.
Oh, he's tasting. Make sure it's good.